Hello everyone, welcome to CodeBattleZone. Today I am going to show you how you can use the calendar in GoHighLevel. It will be a simple calendar. First you need to go to the dashboard app.gohighlevel.com, then you will see the sidebar. Here you will find the calendar. Here is the calendar. This is dashboard calendar. So here I need to go to the calendar settings. You will see the list of the calendars that we have, but we will create a new one, new calendar. First we will show you the first options. There is many options for calendar. We will create the personal booking calendar for now. Click on name the calendar regular booking calendar. You can select the team member. Just to make the name unique, just use the number. Here you can set up your availability. Next you can just confirm. Here is the calendar link. Calendar is created. Here is the calendar link. Just copy and paste here. You will see your calendar ready. User come, select the date, select the timing, select it is the default form, then schedule the meeting. Meeting will be notified to the member, those who are selected. So it's very easy to set up a calendar. Now you can customize everything. You can change your availability. You can set up your own availability when you are available based on selection. Like Friday, you can disable any day. You can set up your timings. You can change the color combinations. Even you can change the form. This is default form. You can change your own form here. You can change the button title. Everything can be customized in the calendar. I'll show you in the next video how you can customize the calendar. Thanks for watching the video. If you found the video is helpful, you can hit the like button. Also subscribe the channel. It's really support us for the new videos, and keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.